Alright, so I had to do something here. I had to pull the engine back out after I just put it in so that I could lower it down on that jack stand, because there's very tight tolerances here in the exhaust pipe, and I could not get the exhaust into the port without dropping the engine down first. So just letting you know, you probably, if you're doing this yourself, you probably want to get the exhaust in before putting the engine up. Now I can hopefully lift it back up with my jack and get it lined up with the engine mount hole right there. See if I can put it back in. Alright everyone, I got the last few parts put on. The engine is finally mounted, and I got fuel lines hooked up, electrical stuff hooked up. See if it starts here. Okay, it starts. It also just so happens to be out of gas, but starts, it runs. Still needs some work because there's various issues with the rest of the bike, but I think the engine rebuild was successful. I can feel the massive increase in compression when I am using the Kickstarter. It's a massive increase. This thing used to just kick over like, it was kicked over like pedaling a bicycle. There was no resistance whatsoever. Now it has a massive amount of powerful resistance. So, got far better compression. Unfortunately, this tire's been leaking, so I'm gonna have to deal with that. Another thing that I'm gonna deal with in a future video, if I even get it recorded, is the differential here. For some reason, it started slipping. I took this on a test ride off camera, and this wheel here will spin like crazy while this wheel sits still. And I mean, of course, the reason the differential's kicking in is because this tire is so much wider and this one is so much skinnier that this one over here has more resistance. The question is, I never unlocked the differential, so why is it all of a sudden acting like the differential is unlocked? So I'm gonna unfortunately probably have to tear apart the entire rear axle to figure that out, but for now I might just ride it around with an unlocked differential and hope that nothing goes wrong. But thanks for coming along with me on this video. Hopefully I'll get more out on this soon, but for now, people are anxious to see me get back to vintage snowmobile projects, and I am anxious for that as well, because you can see the leaves are changing here. Winter is gonna be on the way pretty soon. I want to get some sleds working, because it looks like we're going to have a pretty heavy snow this winter from the forecast. So thanks for watching again, I'll be back later with some more videos.